Did you know Superman was almost a villain? Back in the 1930s, two teenagers Jerry Siegel and Joe Shuster created a character named Superman, but in his very first version, he was an evil telepath trying to take over the world. Yeah, wild. But they rewrote him, turned him into the last son of Krypton, rocketed to Earth moments before his planet exploded. Raised in Smallville as Clark Kent, he grew up with a sense of justice. Thanks to his kind-hearted adoptive parents, he became Superman, fighting for truth, justice, and hope, wearing that iconic S not for super, but for hope in his Kryptonian language. From almost being a villain to becoming Earth's greatest hero. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more superhero stories.